Hey, what's up everyone? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install new standby notch on your any Android device. So let's begin. Okay guys, first download this app on your Android device. This app download link available on description. After download, simply tap and open. After open, simply choose language. Now allow notifications and simply enable dynamic notch and set some permissions. Now, after set all permissions, your standby notch enable. Now, let me show you one by one all features. Simply tap on display. Guys, this is customize notch options. You set custom notch with width, height, horizontal and vertical. You also set radius, small or big radius. Now simply go back. Look at these. First, quick controls. Guys, you enable quick controls like these. Look at these. Quick controls on notch, volume style, or you enable standby view like these. Look at these two type of standby view. Look at these. Now simply enable notifications. Calls also already enable in permissions. Now enable weather. Guys, look at this. Weather also enable. You also set with animation or no animation. And look at this. Guys, if you single tap on notch, then open standby view, or you hold on notch, then open weather. Look at this. Next, notch charging. You also set many different notch charging animations. Simply enable live score. Bluetooth connection. And guys, look at this music player, flashy border animation. This is already turned on. And in last, look at this. You also set beautiful charging animations. Simply enable charging animation and look at these many beautiful charging animations. So guys, you also enable this new standby notch on your any Android device. Look at this. And guys, this notch work also on your lock screen. Look at this. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.